Now the next tool here is the Distort tool. It's located beneath the shadow tool. So once you click the shadow tool, press it down, so you can see it here. It's called the Distort, which is the third one or the fourth one, the fourth tool. So Distort tool. So pitch down. So it's used to transform objects by applying push and pull, zipper or twister effect. So more information is on the hint online. So let's dive in. So you can do all this with it. So this is how it is. Let me take this here. It's loading. So the first thing we'll do is just to use the shape tool, the rectangle tool. Draw any shape. You can use cycle. Let's use cycle because cycle is used in the hint. So you can click, hold Control to make it a cycle and drag. It's loading. So once the cycle is ready, or any shape you want to use, you click on the Distort tool again, which is under the shadow tool, Distort. So for this one, let's check the properties bar, the pull and push. Can you see it? So before doing anything, let's duplicate it to 3. So let's duplicate it. Is it wasting time? So you come to on edit, you duplicate or you clone. You can see the Control D. So it's 3 now. So let's keep this one here and let's take this one here. So it's 3 things we want to do with it. So you click on the Distort tool again. Distort. So the first one is here, which is this one, push and pull. So you drag it outside or you drag it inside. No, it's outside. You have to drag it inside. Can you see it? Or that one? Can you see it? So the next second one, click on this. You can adjust here. Click on here. You can adjust the push amplitude here. You can add new distort. You can clear distort here. If you clear distort now, can you see it? So if you want to undo it, click on undo here. Cancel, or you come to edit and undo what you have done. Yeah. So you come here and do the second one here. Zipper Distort. So you drag it outside. Can you see it inside or outside? And I want to do it. This zipper for you, which is also here. Can you see it here? This is the second one. So you can do this for this third one. The name is what? Twister Distort. Click on it and drag it outside, or you drag it inside. Can you see it? Anyhow you want to do it. See, it's forming like a liquid shape. Can you see it? Making sense. Beautiful. Can you see it? So let's see how it is. Can you see it? And how you do it? Let me drag it outside. Or let me distort. Let me clear it and see. Clear distort. So there's something we call here center distort. Center distort effect within the object. So can you see it? case, depending on what you want to do. So you can use this one to create a background self. So can you see it? This distort tool for you. What you can do with it, you can also explore more. Once you check here, you can check under the present, check anyone you want. Can you see them? Anyone you want to do. So let me draw another shadow. So can you see it? Let me click on the distort tool. So you can under present, can you see it? You can decide to do anyone here. Can you see it? Let's use this one. Can you see it? You can adjust it. You can adjust it. So you can use it to create a shape. You can draw another one. Let's finish, exhaust all of them. So let me create another one to control. Distort to present. You can use this one depending on what you want to do. Can you see it? It's making sense. So that's all for Distort tool. You are welcome.